Welcome to our video on how to invest your savings. If you're someone who has been diligently setting aside money for the future, then congratulations. You've already taken the first step towards financial security. But now comes the important question: what should you do with those hard-earned savings? This is where investing comes into play. In this article, we will explore the world of investment and guide you through the process of putting your money to work in order to achieve long-term growth and financial success. So let's dive in and learn how to make your savings work for you. What is saving? Saving is a fundamental financial concept that involves setting aside a portion of your income for future use. It is the act of putting money into a safe and easily accessible place, such as a savings account or cash reserves. Saving serves multiple purposes, including building an emergency fund, achieving short-term goals, and planning for retirement. One key aspect of saving is discipline. It requires the ability to resist immediate gratification in order to secure future financial stability. By consistently saving money over time, you can accumulate funds that will provide security during unexpected situations or allow you to pursue bigger dreams. Another important aspect of saving is budgeting. Creating a realistic budget helps you determine how much money you can save each month after covering necessary expenses like rent, bills, and food. This ensures that your savings are not an afterthought but rather a priority in your financial plan. Saving is the foundation for financial well-being as it provides security during emergencies while also helping achieve long-term goals and dreams through disciplined budgeting and taking advantage of compound interest growth potential. What is investment? Investment refers to the act of allocating money or resources with the expectation of generating future income or profit. It involves taking a calculated risk in order to grow your wealth over time. One common misconception about investment is that it only applies to wealthy individuals or big corporations. In reality, anyone can invest regardless of their financial status. Whether you have a large sum of money or just a small amount saved up, there are various investment options available for everyone. Investing is not limited to buying stocks and bonds. There are different types of investments such as real estate, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and even starting your own business. Each option comes with its own risks and rewards, so it's important to do thorough research before making any decisions. The key principle behind investing is the potential for growth and compounding returns over time. By investing your savings wisely, you can potentially earn more than what traditional saving accounts offer in terms of interest rates. While there is always some level of risk involved in investing, diversification can help mitigate those risks by spreading out your investments across different asset classes. The difference between saving and investment. The difference between saving and investment lies in their purpose and the potential returns they offer. Saving refers to setting aside a portion of your income for future use, typically in a low-risk account like a savings account or fixed deposit. The primary goal of saving is to accumulate funds for emergencies, large purchases, or short-term financial goals. On the other hand, investment involves allocating your money with the expectation of generating long-term growth or earning profits. Investments can take various forms such as stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, or even starting your own business. Unlike savings that often have lower interest rates and limited growth potential, investments come with higher risks but also offer higher rewards. While saving focuses on preserving capital and providing liquidity when needed, investing aims to grow wealth over time through asset appreciation and compounding returns. It's important to understand that both saving and investing play crucial roles in achieving financial stability and reaching long-term financial goals. Why should you invest your saving? Why should you invest your savings? Well, there are plenty of good reasons to do so. Investing allows your money to work for you and potentially grow over time. While saving is important for short-term goals and emergencies, investing can help you achieve long-term financial objectives like retirement or buying a house. Investing also helps beat inflation. The value of money decreases over time due to inflation, but by investing in assets that provide returns higher than the rate of inflation, you can protect the purchasing power of your savings. Furthermore, investing can diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. By spreading out your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds rather than keeping all your savings in one place, you minimize the impact if one investment performs poorly. Another advantage of investment is compounding returns. Over time, as you earn returns on your initial investment and reinvest those earnings back into the market, compounding comes into play. This means that not only will you earn returns on the original amount invested but also on previous gains. Investing gives you an opportunity to participate in economic growth and support businesses that align with your values through socially responsible investments or impact investing. How to invest your savings? Investing your savings is a smart financial move that can help you grow your wealth over time. But with so many investment options available, it's important to understand how to invest your savings wisely. Here are some key steps to consider when investing your hard-earned money. 1. Set clear investment goals. Before you start investing, determine what you want to achieve with your savings. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or a child's education? Having clear goals will guide your investment decisions. 2. Assess your risk tolerance. Everyone has a different level of risk tolerance when it comes to investments. Some people prefer safer options like bonds and fixed deposits, while others may be willing to take on more risk in pursuit of higher returns through stocks or real estate. Evaluate how much risk you're comfortable with before making any investment choices. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Spreading out investments across different asset classes can help minimize risk and maximize potential returns. Consider diversifying within stocks by investing in various sectors or geographies, as well as including other asset classes like bonds or mutual funds. 4. Conduct thorough research. Don't blindly invest in something just because someone recommended it or because it seems exciting at the moment. Take the time to research potential investments thoroughly, examine historical performance, analyze market trends, and read expert opinions before making any decisions. 5. Start small and gradually increase investments. If you're new to investing, it's wise to start small and gradually increase the amount over time as you become more comfortable and confident with the process. They can provide valuable insights tailored specifically for your needs. Conclusion. In today's fast-paced and unpredictable world, it is essential to make wise financial decisions. One such decision is investing your savings. By understanding the difference between saving and investing, you can harness the power of compound interest and potentially grow your wealth over time. Saving refers to setting aside a portion of your income for future use. It acts as a safety net for emergencies or planned expenses. On the other hand, investment involves putting your money into various assets with the expectation of generating returns in the form of capital appreciation or regular income. While saving is important for short-term goals and immediate needs, investing allows you to optimize your financial potential in the long run. Here are some compelling reasons why you should consider investing your savings. 1. Beat inflation. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time. By earning a return on your investments that outpaces inflation, you can ensure that your money retains its value. 2. Build wealth. Investing provides an opportunity to grow your wealth steadily over time through compounding returns. This means reinvesting any earnings generated by investments back into them, exponentially increasing their value over years or even decades. 3. Diversify risk. Putting all your eggs in one basket can be risky when it comes to finances too. Investing allows you to diversify across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and more, spreading out risks while maximizing potential rewards. 4. Achieve financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, funding education, planning for retirement, or starting a business, investing helps turn dreams into reality by providing necessary funds at crucial milestones in life.